G'day viewers, well, I'm going to install this next meter next, but I'm going to just do a quick check of how to wire this thing up, because these ones here are wired up slightly different to the direct wired meter. This is a CT type meter, 3 times 200/5, 2.5 to 10 amps. So I'll get this terminal cover off. Active goes in there. I've got that going in there. Active out, active in, active out, active in, active out. Then the potential coil just taps off from there, there. So they're getting energised. So yep, that one is getting energised too. So there's one there, one there, one there. They're all getting energised. So they're all connected to neutral. But I've got the active coming out, out from here, here and here. But I've just checked it with the variac and everything, and this thing doesn't seem to want to work direct wired. Strange, that one. I'll have to do a careful look up, and these might have to be hooked up a slightly different way to get them to run direct wired. This is a Landis Gyr model YL5D, type YL5D, 50 cycles a second, 10 revs per kilowatt hour, slowest in my collection. 3 times 240 volt, the old Landis Gyr logo, and it has it down there. The dual rate, obviously. It's got a little 1/10 wheel there, and the cyclometric horizontal barrels, number barrel type like the other ones. I'll see if you can look from the side there. There's your worm drive in there. And it's got timing marks on the load wheel. I think this would be from the probably mid to late 80s, I'm guessing. Judging by the styling of it. Alright. Let's pop some circuit boards. There's a couple of the caps here I've got to finish off. Bit of Saturday night stress relief. Look at that, that looks cool. Hey, captured lightning. That looks awesome on that chip. I'll mess around with ZVS driver later on. I just as I said earlier, I got a lot to learn trying to get those types of circuits to work, so I'll scavenge some parts off that computer board off camera and I'll just mess around with it in my own time. So for now, let's finish off this circuit board. Okay, viewers, everything's hooked up. Plug it in. Power's on. Delayed reaction. I'll try and look at the sort of camera viewfinder. Bit easier on my eyes. There's something satisfying about burning out a circuit board. Big cap there, might go bang. Oh, it wasn't such a big bang, was it? Alright, let's blow those chips up. See if there's chips or anything interesting. No, it's not quite as epic looking as that one. Something that's crackled. And you got something venting out there. You got flames. Capacitor hasn't popped. Alright, unplug, safety first. Let's try something else. Okay, the also decided to grind some of the resin off on this capacitor and put a screw in it directly through those plates. Let's see if I can get power directly into the destroy the rest of what remains inside that capacitor. Now it's directly connected to earth. I'll probe the inside and see if it does nothing interesting. I doubt there's any smoke left in it, but we'll see what happens. Power's on. There you go, it's just sparking it around the outside there. Might have to put a lead on that. See how long it takes to burn it out. Unplug safety first, I'll get my lead. Okay, plugged it in. There you go, power's on. Just arcing it internally. No magic smoke left in it. Mega flamage though. The more I arc, the more aggressive the fire gets. I've got a little fire bucket. There you go, fire's not so bad. Interesting how the sparks make the fire look interesting. The camera makes it look a bit brighter than what it actually is. Burns quite well, interesting. Might not be much magic smack left in it, but it certainly is burning. Alright, there you go. That's just a plate inside it burning now. Yeah, it sounds interesting. Oh, it's badly sticking out. Alright, let that cool down. Power off. Unplug the safety first. After making your arcing stick up there, that got pretty darn hot. Held it into the flame for too long, so let that cool down and set back how it's supposed to be. And hopefully I could still salvage that. Press that back together. I'll let that burn away. It's unplugged. It is unplugged, just double check. Alright, there you go. Always de-energise your device. Unplug first before you touch anything. Very important, especially when you're working with MOTs. Very, very dangerous stuff. Alright, might as well film the rest of this burning away. Wasn't expecting this result. That sort of resins and plastic burning in that capacitor. Yeah, can't zoom in too much, camera gets out of focus. Burns quite well. Well, getting firewood today. We weren't only allowed to get so much, but by the time I got there, the whole bloody designated firewood collection area was all empty. The bloody park rangers are there telling us off. We can't, what we can and cannot get. So yeah, they're very strict on bloody firewood now, unfortunately. The bloody Greens want to make firewood in Australia illegal. So you can't get firewood or use anything that burns wood. Which is bloody stupid. So, here's this revenge to that. Bit of a carbon tax capacitor there. That would piss them off. Can't burn wood, but we can, that's not going to stop me from burning plastic and stuff. It's taking a while to burn, that's for sure. Oh well, this video did not go quite as planned, but at least I got some flames out of it. A little plastic melting away there. It's amazing how long this thing burns for. Not much smoke either. Okay viewers, this is going on for way too long, so that'll do it for now. Thanks for watching.